Where'd he go? Oh. Yeah, he's eating it now, right there. He's in the bushes eating. Hello, baby. Oh, he's going on that side. Did he jump up? Is he still down here or did he jump up? Oh,
no, he's still there.
There he is. Oh, he's really hungry today. Or she. Here comes Happy. Where'd he go?
He's still over there. Still over there, Mama. Don't put me in the camera.
I'm not.
What he's doing?
He is storing it, huh? Maybe for the winter. There he is. Yeah, he's storing it, but no. Oh, yeah. He's just hopping along. He's back. Been feeding a family of blue jays. Oh, they take off and they'll come back. He's back. It's right there. Oh, here he comes. Normally, Mama and Baby are with him, but not today. Hi, babe. And he's super close. He's been getting braver and braver each day. Oh, there she goes. Did you see her? Yeah. Oh, you hear the baby? Oh, the whole family's here now. Oh, he heard. Back. Oh, see, that's probably the mama, because she's not as... Huh? She's not as confident. The boy just comes right down and eats. And she's more like, nope, skittish. It's like... Come on, Mama, come and eat. Come on, baby, come and eat. There goes another one. Oh, he landed on top.
Yeah.
Did you hear him?
Yeah.
Oh no, she took off. She's over the tree. I think their nests are in this tree. We picked up a baby that was on the floor in here the other day, and we put him back up in this tree. And there is no baby today, but I think yeah, no, I wouldn't want to disturb it.